locked him in the computer room. And he can't get out. Try and wiggle the door. Can't get out. Alright? A couple years ago, we broke this window, and he's going to climb through it. Alright, go. There he goes. Emerging from the picture frame. There he is. Unlock the door.
I just came out of that. Into a new world.
Oh yeah.